Yeah, so I was just out here feeding the chickens, and on my way back to the house, I stopped by the garden bed to water, and let me show you. Over the weekend, our sweet corn started to pop up. Looks like most every seed that I planted is sprouting. There might just be a couple. I think you can see they're in rows. You can see the green there, 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 there. There, 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 there. There, there. It looks like a couple maybe didn't germinate right there. I did plant a row here, so... Oh yeah, there's a little something right there. Looks like maybe a couple in the middle section here didn't really germinate, but hey, that's still a pretty good yield for this little garden bed. So I just gave it a little water, and we'll keep you guys updated on the sweet corn. I forgot to film the outro, so I just want to make sure to say, have a good day, bub. Yes, yeah.